Everyone wants to start trading, but most people quit because platforms feel confusing, complicated, and overwhelming. What if one platform made global trading simpler, smarter, and easier to explore? Meet Nebula Finserv, a platform designed for modern traders and investors who want access to multiple financial markets in one place. With Nebula Finserv, users can explore multiple financial instruments including Forex, metals, oil and commodities, spot indices, and cryptocurrency. Instead of using different platforms for different markets, Nebula brings everything together in one place. The Forex market is one of the largest financial markets globally. Nebula helps users access currency trading opportunities in a streamlined and modern way. When markets become uncertain, traders often turn toward metals like gold and silver. These assets continue to remain important in global investing. Commodity markets react to global events, inflation, and demand shifts, creating dynamic trading opportunities every day. Crypto continues to evolve rapidly, and Nebula Finserv allows users to explore this fast-growing digital asset market. Instead of switching between multiple apps, Nebula creates a more connected trading experience by bringing different markets into one ecosystem. One of Nebula's biggest strengths is simplicity. The platform feels clean, modern, and easy to navigate, especially for beginners. Trading is not just about entering markets, it's about understanding them. Nebula encourages users to learn and grow while exploring financial opportunities. Smart investors understand the importance of diversification. When one market slows down, another may create opportunities. In 2026, traders want speed, accessibility, and flexibility. Nebula Finserv focuses on creating a modern trading experience designed for today's fast-moving digital world. Today's traders want platforms that feel simple, accessible, and reliable. Whether someone is checking markets from a desktop setup or directly from a mobile phone, Nebula is designed to create a smooth, modern experience. As financial markets continue evolving, users are looking for platforms that combine convenience with multi-market accessibility. And that's exactly where Nebula Finserv aims to stand out. Whether you're a beginner exploring trading for the first time or someone looking to diversify into multiple markets, Nebula Finserv offers a platform built for exploration and growth. So what makes Nebula Finserv stand out? Multiple financial instruments, easy platform experience, modern accessibility, and opportunities across global markets. If you want to explore financial markets smarter in 2026, Nebula Finserv is worth checking out. Visit the website to learn more.